Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how I turned some scrap denim fabric into a new collar for my dog. That's today on Refashioning with Rachel. I had some scrap denim fabric lying around and my doggie needed a new collar, so I thought this would be a perfect little project. I cut out a strip of fabric about 30 inches long and 3 inches wide. And squared off the ends. I ironed it in half long ways. I folded down the top of the strip to meet the fold line in the middle and ironed it down. And did the same thing at the bottom. And then folded it in half again and ironed it down. I made a running stitch down the double folded side of the strip, about 1 millimeter away from the edge. I used a contrasting thread so that it would look cute. When I got to the end, I pivoted and went up the other side of the strip. I used this curvy stitch, number 38 on my sewing machine, to make a decorative stitch all along the middle of the strap. This was her old collar. As you can see, it was well used. I recycled the hardware, so I needed to snip them off. And carefully laid them out so I would know how to attach them onto the new strap. I made a clean cut on one end of the strap, and inspecting the way that the hardware was attached to the old collar, I recreated that design. For these stitches, I switched over to a matching thread. and this project was finished. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more refashioning ideas, check out some other videos on my channel. And like and subscribe, and have a beautiful day.